Again, Ford fans, but you also have to like deformed Fords. This is a ChoroQ of the first generation Thunderbird. And there we go, some images there. I don't know if this is meant to be copper or brown, that photograph. I guess it looks more copper. The deformation on these ChoroQs is funny. Makes me laugh. But I gotta say, they got a lot of the details that are actually on the real car, just deformed. Alright, let's take a look here. So, I do think this is painted, just because it's kind of wrinkly, like orange peel. So what about this side? Yeah. So I think it's a clear body like all the other Choro-Qs, and they just painted it this brown. I don't think it's metallic, it's just a normal brown. So these wheels are very similar to that side photograph, that kind of like really thin spoked fan turbine kind of wheels. Alright, we also have some the venting detail here molded in, the door panel. This is actually raised, the handle here painted silver. I'm going to get this out of the way here, this roof. This comes off. So it's nice that it's clear, you can see the porthole windows there. It's a little cloudy though. I think you got to pinch this, yeah, okay. So now it's a convertible and we have the seat texture there. Going to the front, we have these chromed lights with the concave dome, so it looks like a light bucket. This bump here is painted silver. Route 66 is some sort of collection of ChoroQs with all classic American cars, it seems. Nice grille texture in here. No paint though, but they did paint the vent here on the hood, which is nice. Yeah, some sun visors here for that roof to sit on. Little side windows. No fuel filler there, I can see. This is silver and red, so that's nice. Route 66 again, and then that same type of pattern on the wheels there for the spare. This is a coin holder, by the way. It's a pullback toy. If you put weight in the back, it'll do a wheelie, but not much of a wheelie because it bottoms out. So it's kind of weird. I'd rather just, well, in this case, this coin holder is good because it looks like what's on the real car, but in general, I don't like them. So this is made for Target Japan, and that's why it looks so nice. This is some sort of retail outlet, I think, and they custom order some stuff from ChoroQ. So very cool. No need to modify this. It's actually got a pretty nice stance as it is. So we're going to leave the roof off, I guess. Just looks better as a convertible. Alright, let's take a look at a few others. I have this pink Thunderbird here, and this one, it has Thunderbird on the license plate. Sorry, the focus got lost. So I don't know what collection this is. This is not Target Japan. It just has an HG bottom, and this is from 03. So that's cool. Just different paint. I think I like the pink one more, to be honest with you. Oh, it also has white walls on the tires. Very cool. Here's from a collection called Old Garage, and they look like barn finds. So, although this this one looks more like it's covered in chocolate sauce than a barn find, but it's just an old T-Bird, I guess. Okay, so a few other Fords. This one always makes me laugh. It's the Harry Potter. It literally has a sticker of the Harry Potter kids, and this is the Ford Anglia. And I just have some poster puttied ChoroQ Steelies on here. So, but they did cooler ones. Here's a classic Mustang, and this is from what collection? I don't know. It just says Ford, so maybe there's some sort of Ford set. This is from 03. Probably the same as that Thunderbird. Maybe the same set. Here's a GT40. I had some paint to these wheels though. And this one also says Ford. Is it from 03? So maybe there's a big Ford set in 2003. I had to buy these all piecemeal because they're so old. Yeah, it's almost like the one we're talking about today is the worst. Or possibly that because it looks weird. Chocolate sauce. Oh, I need a cartoon character. Well, it makes sense to have Chewbacca, because he's kind of brown as well. Alright, this is by Bandai, by the way. Some sort of Bandai Star Wars toy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll get some more Fords in from ChoroQ.